ThaiForGuys.com. This is going to be lesson 3. Single most important word for men to say, and women don't say this ever. And I'll give you the female version of this word too in this lesson. So hang on here. As I pointed out, women never ever say this word. You speak Thai proficiently. You speak Thai proficiently. Kunพูดภาษาไทยเก่งครับ You speak Thai proficiently. คุณพูดภาษาไทยเก่งครับ คุณพูดภาษาไทยเก่งครับ I hope you repeated that. Remember, we're getting this into your mouth and off of your tongue, right? Getting it out of your head, through your mouth and off the tip of your tongue. คุณพูดภาษาไทยครับ There it is in Thai script. The word for you, we already know, right? Kun, we saw that last lesson. Speak is pud. I know it's written as poot here. Pud. I could have just as easily spelled it like that, but again, romanization, you use what you got. You know, they say you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. That's, I think they say that in daycare. Pud means to speak. Falling tone. Pud. Pasa means language. Pasa, language. Thai. Well, you already know the word for Thai. Flat tone, your normal voice. Thai. It means free, as in land of the free. They've never been conquered by a European force, and they are proud of that. They take that seriously, as well they should. Up until, I think, just during World War II, they changed their name from Siam to Thailand, meaning the land of the free. Gang means proficient. Gang means proficient. You know what? It's one of those words that doesn't actually translate directly. Proficient is as close as you can get. But if you're walking down the street and you trip and you stumble towards the curb, and to keep from falling, you do a backflip with a half gainer and land on one foot balanced perfectly, people around you go, gang, right? Kind of like, hey, dude, did that, man. Like, not awesome, or tubular. Remember from eons back. So that's what that means. Like, hey, awesome. Way to go, guy. Gang. You speak gang. Well and proficient. Fluent is another word that's used only in a certain way. So, and it doesn't. Although it could certainly fit here. Kun pudภาษาไทย glong, but that's when somebody wants to really say you're fluent, and they want to say that the actual word fluent. Gang is probably more what you'll hear. Cup. There you go. Probably the most important word in Thailand for men. Cup. Now you can say it, and you can, if you want to. Depending how polite you want to be, or how formal the situation, you can drop men. You can drop the R out of cup, and just go cup, cup, cup. All right. This is another woman that women never ever say. Never ever. Women don't say it. All right, they will say ka, ka. Hard for me to say that word. You know, it's just men don't say it. And if you're saying it, if you're using it at the end of a sentence and it's a question for women, they can raise the tone. They go ka, ka, like a question. But men, it's always high tone, and it's always krap, krap. And you know, I would suggest you use it at the end of every single sentence. And as you get used to Thai, then you'll drop it here and there. But the more often you say krap at the end of every sentence, the more polite you are deemed to be. It's very, very important. It's only said by men, never ever said by women. I can't imagine any woman ever saying the word krap. Oh, here we go. I've written it out for women. Ka, falling tone. Ka for women, unless it's, again, at the end of a sentence and a question, then they can high tone. So คุณพูดภาษาไทยเก่งครับคุณพูดภาษาไทยเก่งครับ You speak Thai proficiently คุณพูดภาษาไทยเก่งครับ let's see, if you wanted to say that to somebody who's trying to speak English, you could say คุณพูดภาษาอังกฤษเก่งครับคุณพูดภาษาอังกฤษเก่งครับ or German คุณพูดภาษาเยอรมันเก่งครับคุณพูดภาษาไทยเก่ง low tone on เก่งครับครับ There you are. That's the end of lesson 3. I'm guessing you know about 16 words now. Awesome. Let's move on to lesson number 4.